How do you find the Apple Watch app on the iPhone? Let me show you how you can do this. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more quick tips and explanations like this one. So the Watch app on the iPhone is basically like the settings app for the Apple Watch. So you can perform some changes on the small screen of the watch, of course, but for me personally, it's much better to control it from the iPhone. And for that, this is like the purpose of the Watch app. And if you cannot find it on on the iPhone, scroll through all the way to the right to find the app library, and this is a grid or a list, the place where all of your installed as well as built-in apps are located. So you should be able to find it in one of these like folders, but you can as well just go to the search and at the top and look up literally the watch, and it should most definitely appear. So that's how you can find it. It should definitely be there. I don't know if there is some issue with it. Try like restarting the phone and like updating to the latest version of operating system, but it shouldn't really be like that hard to find it. It should most definitely be there, right? So I really hope I could explain it well to you. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to get to see you later in the next videos as well. I have so many Apple Watch as well as iPhone tutorials existing and already like on the channel, but also coming up, so stay tuned and I'll see you then.